Hello students, in this video lecture we will see preprocessor directives. So first, what is a C preprocessor? It is not a part of compiler, but it is a separate step in the compilation process. Basically, it is a text substitution tool and it instructs the compiler to do required preprocessing before the actual compilation starts. It begins with a hash symbol and it must be the first non-blank character. And for better readability, a preprocessor directive should begin in the first column. These are some important preprocessor directives. First one is hash define. It substitutes a preprocessor macro. The second one is hash include. It inserts a particular header from another file. Third is hash undef. It undefines a preprocessor macro. Next one is hash ifdef. If it returns true if this macro is defined. And next one is hash if and def. It returns true if this macro is not defined. And next one is hash if. It tests if a compile time condition is true. The next one is hash else, the alternative for hash if. Next is hash elif. That means hash else and hash if both are in one statement. Then hash and if, it ends preprocessor conditionals. The next one is hash error. It prints error message on standard error. And last one is hash pragma. It issues special commands to the compiler using a standardized method. These are some examples of preprocessors. Hash define max array length 20. In this we cannot drop any space. We cannot use any space, therefore we have used underscore. And after space there is a 20. Now this directive will tell the C preprocessor to replace instances of max array length. Wherever it will be used in the program, it will be replaced with 20. And hash define can be used to increase readability of constants. If we have to again and again put 20, it will create complexity. But if we already defined this variable with this length, and then it will always use 20. The next example is hash include standard input output .h. Basically it is called a header file. And next line is hash include in double quotes my header.h. Now it will tell the C preprocessor to get standard input output .h from system libraries and add the text to the current source file. Right? This file, it will be concluded from system libraries, and the text depending in this file or in this file, including this file, the text which is included by this file will be added to the current source file. The next line, that means this one, this line will tell C preprocessor to get my header.h from the local directory and add the content to the current source file. Basically in our courses, basic courses, we just use these two preprocessors, hash define and hash include. Thank you and have a nice day.